Hi guys, we are doing, what are we doing today? Oh, it's National Taco Day. So guess who's getting tacos? We are. Boo, you excited to get tacos?
1 mile on the right.
Okay, we're going to one of our favorite places we've been liking to go, Del Taco. So we're on our way there now. We're gonna take you guys with us. And then I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but we're gonna do something fun. Alright, of course, it was yummy, 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 yummy. My only complaint was my crunchtada, which is like a tostada from Taco Bell. They were soggy. It was a soggy chip. And the guy said because of the hurricane, they haven't been able to get them. So they've been making them, I guess. But they're not frying them hard enough. Because nothing was crunchy about it. It was all soggy. So he made me a bean taco then, hard shell taco, which put a lot of cheese on. It was nice. A lot of cheese, a lot of beans. Oh, I'm sorry, Boo. A lot of beans. I ate a lot of beans.
Yeah, we know you and your beans.
Sorry. I'm just saying in advance, I'm sorry. I cannot be blamed for what my body does. My body has a mind of its own. Sorry. I cannot do on-command farts. Sorry. Just can't. It's just not something I can do. Seriously. Serious. Seriously. I'm serious. I don't know why he thinks I'm joking.
Yeah, too bad you weren't filming 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago? I didn't do nothing 5 minutes ago.
Tell that to my upholstery.
Well, if you're new here, hi, I'm Yammi. This is Boo. Say hi, Boo.
Hi, Boo.
And we are Yammy's Adventures. And we like to go on little adventures here and there. Today's adventure was National Taco Day, so we went for tacos. And I'm supposed to be making tacos for dinner. I don't know if we'll be doing that or not. I have to wait and see. We have to rethink dinner. Just in case. Start rethinking. But now we're actually heading over to the Disney Character Warehouse store where I like to go in. I like to film what's there, the prices, because there's something new all the time. So we're going to head over there. It's early afternoon. We'll have to go and see what we can find. But do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. And then always hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I put out a wonderful video like today's. If it's beautiful and wonderful like today's, make sure you subscribe. And comments. I always like comments. So if there's something you want to see or an adventure you want us to go on, comment down below. Let us know what it is. But I do have a new adventure coming up soon. So stay tuned. Alright, well, we were going to go to the outlet and go in there. But when I got there, there was a line. A long line. And I was not prepared to stand in a long line. So we left. And now we decided we'll Uber Eats. So we're Uber eating. I'm picking up an order right now at Red Lobster, taking it over there to Flamingo Crossings, where Disney is building the, the dorms for the college program. There's hotels, everything over there. So when we go, matter of fact, I'll just kind of show you guys around a little bit while we're there. That way you can see what's there. And if you come to town and you want to know where it's at, just let me know. I'll tell you. All right, we are at Flamingo Crossings, and I'm going to show you around. The Targets is open there, and I'm not sure what else yet. So let's go check it out. Alright, here's the Target that's over here, and it is really, really tiny. It's not very big at all. So, but I'm pretty sure it has all your basic necessities that you need. So it's a good spot, a good option. Okay, coming soon. Something's coming there. This is a brewing company. And it's a pita store. I'm not sure. It's called Pita. And then we have a Five Below. So Five Below, that's a good spot. There's a lot of hotels in the area, but this one looks like the Grand Hotel in Mackinac Island. That's what that puts me in mind of. Not sure what it is, just saying that's what it looks like.
But it, you know, and it also kind of looks like
the Grand Floridian, yes. So, you know, it could be either or. But yeah, there's Marriott Home 2. And then this one. I like that they built these here because it is a very close option for Disney. So anybody that's here that forgot things, taking an Uber here to find something is so much better than Ubering somewhere else. You know, it's a lot closer. So just saying, remember, Flamingo Crossings. That's a good spot to check out when you come here. I'm pretty sure you could probably take a Disney bus here. I'll check in on that and let you guys know for sure. Oop, that light broke. Must have been from the hurricane. Alright, we've got a couple more places. There's something coming soon. Elite Lowe's. Something like that. Oh, you can get your nails done. Oh, Ben and Jerry. Oh, sorry. Coming soon. Simply Capri. Oh, it's a restaurant. And then right over here is security sitting there. But I think this is like a little town hall kind of a thing. You know, information center.
What is, I don't know what that's for. Those are steps.
That's a crosswalk. There. That's where you can cross the road without getting hit.
Oh, that's where the flamingos cross.
But I'm not, yeah, that's where the flamingos cross, that's right. Oop, Chunky Road. There's a lot of hotels that way.
Oh, yeah.
More restaurants are going to come over in here. Well, maybe just go down that way and then we'll turn around. Yeah. Oh, PDQ is over here. That's a chicken place if you don't know what that is. And Wendy's?
Yeah.
Yep. Wonder why the Wendy's sign isn't up yet. And then over here, I believe these are where the college program students or employees work or live. That's what I'm thinking this is. This is called Flamingo Crossings Village. And look at, they got a police sitting here too. Alright. Alright guys, we are home. Tacos were so good. Oh my goodness. They were so good. Except for I got the wrong taco for Boo. It was supposed to be a steak soft taco. They gave me a Taco Del Carbon, I believe it's called. So it just had the steak, it had some onion, cilantro, and some green sauce, which happened to be a little spicy. So my nose was running, and it was worth it. It was so good. What? Oh, what's wrong? You want to say hello to people? Say hello. My mommy left me home. My mommy left me home. Yeah. And now I want to brush my teeth. Mommy, I want my greenie. Is that what you want? You want your greenie? You ready to brush your teeth? Where's it at? You're looking right at it, aren't you? You know where it's at. So I'm going to give him his little greenie. Wait till you see how he takes this. We have a little game we play. Let's see if we can play it. Okay, oh, wait a minute. Can you sit? Okay, wait a minute, sit, shake, shake again. Okay, normally he would give me a kiss, but I'm not going to do it. There you go. Oops. I hope you guys didn't see that. Big secret still coming up. Still got something really, really big to share with you guys, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, I hope you had your tacos today, because we had ours. And I'm making tacos tomorrow, because I got everything out for the tacos. So we'll make them tomorrow. Tacos 2 days in a row. Gotta love it. Alright guys, if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye. Don't forget, hit subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Bye.